knowing our numbers. Introduction. Earlier, we have discussed numbers up to 1000. We use numbers in many ways, decreasing orders, add and subtract them. Let us revise the numbers learned in previous classes to understand and enjoy about large numbers. Estimating and comparing numbers. The numbers having more digits is the greater number. For example, 3845, 485 are the numbers. 3845 have 4 digits and 485 have 3 digits. So, 3845 is the greater number. Case 1. If number of digits in given numbers are same, the number of digits in two given numbers is same. The number which has a greater leftmost digit is the greater number. If this digit also happens to be the same, we look at the next digit on the left and so on. For example, 58,672 or 57,875. Which is greater? Here, 5 is in 10,000's place in both numbers. We compare the next place, that is thousands. 8 is greater than 7. So, 58,672 is greater number. Note 1. In forming numbers from given digits, we should be careful to see if the conditions under which the numbers are to be formed are satisfied. Thus, to form the greatest 4-digit number from 7, 8, 3, 5 without repeating a single digit, we need to use all 4 digits. Greatest number can have only 8 as the leftmost digit. Note 2. 9, 99, 999 and so on are the largest numbers according to digit-wise numbers. That is, 99 is the largest number for 2-digit numbers. Similarly, the smallest 4-digit number is 1000. It follows the largest 3-digit number 999. Estimation and rounding off a number. There are a number of situations in which we do not need the exact quantity, but need only a responsible guess of an estimate. For example, approximately 9 lakh students will appear the board examination this year in our state. Here, we do not need to state the exact numbers. Estimation involves approximating a quantity to an accuracy required. Thus, 4,117 may be approximated to 4,100 or to 4,000. That is, to the nearest 100 or to the nearest 1,000 depending on our need. In number of situations, we have to estimate the outcome of number of operations. This is done by rounding off the numbers involved and getting a quick rough answer. For example, 81 is nearer to 80 than 90. So, 81 will be rounded off to 80. Introduction of large numbers. Large numbers are needed in many ways in daily life. For example, for counting number of students in a district, number of people in a village or town, money paid or received in large transactions, in measuring large distances, say between various cities in a country or in the world, and so on. Now, let us take the numbers 3, 1, 5, 6, 4, 5. Its expanded form is 3 into 1 lakh plus 1 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1 equal to 3 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 600 plus 40 plus 5. We read the numbers as 3,15,645. Note: British English takes and between 100 and. American English omits and. Large numbers. The greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. If we add 1 to this number, we get 10 lakhs. It is the smallest 7-digit number, and the greatest 7-digit number is 99 lakhs. Again, add 1 to this number. We get 8-digit small number, and it is called 1 crore. Place value of large number. Use of comma. Reading large numbers is very difficult. So, using of comma helps us reading and writing of large numbers. Example: 25,240, 45 lakhs 4,155. In the Indian system of numeration, we have commas after 3 digits starting from the right and thereafter every 2 digits. The commas after 3rd, 5th and 7th digits separate 1000, lakh and crore respectively. International system of numeration. The numbers in which we read and write in our country are different from that of many other countries. In the international system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then millions. These commas are placed after every 3 digits starting from the right. Note: 1 million is 1,000 of 10 lakhs. Billion is 100 crores. Large numbers used in daily life solutions. We know that we use meters m as unit of length, kilogram kg as a unit of weight, and liter L as a unit of volume, seconds as a unit of time. For example, measuring length or distance, we use centimeter, meter, kilometer, etc. Since there is a relationship between all of them, we need to know about this conversion and convenient usage. 10 millimeters is equal to 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. 100 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. Problem. A helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance will it cover in 4 hours? Express your answer in meters. Solution. In 1 hour, a helicopter covered distance is equal to 600 kilometers. In 4 hours, a helicopter covered distance is equal to 600 into 4 equal to 2400 kilometers is equal to 24,000 into 100, since 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters equal to 2,40,000 meters. Problem. The total weight of a box of 5 biscuit packets of same size 8 kgs 400 grams. What is the weight of each packet? Solution. 5 biscuits total weight is equal to 8 kgs 400 grams. 8400 grams. Since 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Each biscuit packet weight is equal to 8400 by 5 is equal to 1680 grams equal to 1 kg 680 grams.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.